Insurance claim for car damage.
Hello. I need help with my car insurance today.
Hello. Welcome. What happened to your car?
My car was damaged yesterday in a parking area.
I am sorry to hear that. Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. No injury.
That is good. Can you explain the accident?
Another car hit my car slowly.
Was it a big accident?
No, it was small, but damage happened.
Which part of the car is damaged?
The front side is damaged.
Okay, front bumper damage.
Yes, that is correct.
Do you have photos?
Yes, I have photos on my phone.
Please show me.
Here are the pictures.
I can see the damage clearly.
Is it serious?
It needs repair, but it is not total damage.
That is a relief.
Do you have insurance policy number?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I am checking now.
Okay,
Your policy is active.
that is good news.
We can start your claim today.
What do I need to do first?
Fill this claim form.
Okay, I will fill it.
Write your full name.
Done.
Write accident date.
Done.
Write accident time.
Done.
Write location.
Done.
Good. Keep going.
What next?
Write short accident description.
I wrote it.
Good.
How long does claim take?
About 5 to 7 days.
That is fine.
Do you have car registration?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Will insurance pay repair cost?
Yes, after approval.
That is helpful.
We may send you to a repair shop.
Okay.
Do you have police report?
No, I do not.
That is okay for small accidents.
I was worried about that.
No need to worry.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Can I still drive my car?
Only if it is safe to drive.
I understand.
We will contact you soon.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I feel more relaxed now.
That is good.
I will wait for updates.
Yes, we will update you.
Thank you again.
Take care. Planning a wedding party.
Hello. I need help planning a wedding party.
Hello. Congratulations. When is the wedding?
It is next month.
That is exciting news.
Yes, I am a little stressed.
Do not worry. I will help you.
Thank you.
How many guests will come?
Around 100 people.
That is a good size.
I want everything simple.
Simple is beautiful.
Do you have venue ideas?
Yes. Garden or hall?
I like garden.
Good choice for photos.
What about weather?
We should check forecast later.
Okay.
Do you need chairs and tables?
Yes, all arranged.
Around 10 to 12 tables.
That sounds right.
What color theme?
White and gold.
Very elegant.
What about food?
Chicken, rice, salad, juice.
Perfect.
Do you want vegetarian options?
Yes, a few.
Good idea.
What about cake?
Chocolate cake or vanilla?
Chocolate, please.
Noted.
Do we need music?
Yes. Soft background music.
Maybe DJ?
Yes. Small DJ setup.
I like that.
Do you want photography?
Yes, very important.
We can hire a photographer.
Good.
Do you want a stage?
Yes, small stage.
For couple photos.
Exactly.
What about invitations?
Simple design, please.
I will design them.
Thank you.
When should we start setup?
One day before.
Good planning.
I feel excited now.
It will be a beautiful event.
I hope everything goes well.
It will be perfect. At the university admission office.
Hello. I want to apply for university.
Hello. Welcome. What program do you want?
Business studies.
Good choice for your future.
Thank you. I am a bit nervous.
That is normal. I will help you.
What do I need first?
Your school certificate.
Here it is.
Good. Any ID card?
Yes, here.
Perfect.
What about photos?
Yes, passport size photos.
I have them.
Great.
How do I start application?
Fill this form step by step.
Okay, I am writing.
Write your full name.
Done.
Write your father's name.
Done.
Write your address.
Done.
Do you have email?
Yes, here it is.
Good.
What next?
We check documents first.
How long does it take?
About 3 days.
Okay.
Then we call you.
What about admission test?
Some students need it.
I understand.
Do you want hostel?
Yes, I need dormitory.
We will arrange it.
Thank you.
When do you want to start?
Next semester.
Good timing.
Is it difficult to get admission?
No, if documents are correct.
That is good news.
We support all students.
I feel more confident now.
That is good.
Will I get confirmation?
Yes, by phone or email.
Thank you for help.
You are welcome.
I hope I get selected.
I am sure you will do well. Paying the rent.
Hello, I am here to pay my rent today.
Hello. Welcome back. Please come in.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
That is nice to hear. Do you have the rent ready?
Yes, I have the full amount ready.
Great. How do you want to pay today?
I will pay in cash again.
Okay, that is fine.
Here is the money.
Thank you. I will count it now.
Sure, please check it carefully.
One moment, please.
Okay, take your time.
Everything is correct.
Good.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Is everything okay with my apartment?
Yes, overall, everything is fine.
That is good to hear.
Do you have any small problems?
Yes, the water pressure is low in the bathroom.
Okay, I will send someone to check it soon.
Thank you.
Does it happen every day?
Mostly in the morning and evening.
I understand.
The shower is also a little slow.
We will fix both issues together.
That will be great.
Any other issues in the house?
No, everything else is good.
Good. I'm happy to hear that.
The electricity is also fine.
That is good.
Can I stay another month?
Yes, your contract is still active.
Perfect.
Do you plan to renew long-term?
Yes, I like this place very much.
That is good for us too.
The area is very peaceful and safe.
Yes, many tenants like it here.
Thank you for managing everything well.
You are welcome.
When is next rent due?
Same date next month.
Okay, I will remember.
Please try to pay on time again.
I will do that.
Do you need a reminder message?
Yes, that would really help me.
Okay, I will send you a reminder.
Thank you.
Do you need maintenance service today?
No, not today.
Okay, noted.
Everything is fine for now.
Good.
Thank you for your support.
You are welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Signing a rental agreement.
Hello, I want to rent this apartment.
Hello, welcome. Let me explain the agreement.
Okay, I am ready.
Rent is $500 per month.
That is okay for me.
You also pay electricity and water bills.
I understand.
Contract is for 1 year.
Yes, I agree.
You cannot leave early without notice.
Okay,
Deposit is 1 month rent.
I will pay it.
Deposit is refundable later.
That is good.
Do you have ID card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Is furniture included?
Yes, basic furniture is included.
That is helpful.
Do you have any questions?
Is internet included?
Yes, basic internet is included.
Good.
When do you want to move in?
Next week.
That works.
Can I see the full contract?
Yes, here it is.
I am reading it carefully.
Take your time.
Everything looks fine.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree with all terms.
Please sign here.
Okay, I am signing now.
Good. It is done.
Thank you.
Here are your keys.
Perfect.
This is your apartment address card.
Thank you.
Please pay rent on time every month.
I will do that.
If you need help, contact me.
I will.
Do you like the apartment?
Yes, I like it very much.
I am happy to hear that.
I feel excited now.
Enjoy your new home.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Asking for security assistance.
Hello, I need help from security.
Hello, what is the problem?
I feel unsafe in this building.
Can you explain what happened?
Someone is following people here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I saw him twice today.
When did you see him?
Morning and afternoon.
Can you describe the person?
Medium height, black jacket.
Anything else?
He looks around a lot.
Okay, I understand.
I feel a little scared.
You are safe here now.
Thank you.
Did he talk to you?
No, he did not.
Did he follow you closely?
Yes, a little.
Good that you reported it.
What will security do?
We will increase patrols.
That is good.
We will also check cameras.
Okay.
Do not stay alone in empty areas.
I will be careful.
Always stay near people.
Yes, I will do that.
If you see him again, call security.
I will call immediately.
Do you want escort service?
Yes, please.
We can arrange that.
That makes me feel safe.
Good. Safety is important.
I was very worried.
You did the right thing reporting.
Thank you.
Stay calm.
I will try.
Patrol is active all day.
That is good.
We will monitor exits and entrances.
Okay.
Avoid isolated places.
I understand.
Call us anytime if needed.
I will.
You are safe here.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I feel better now.
That is good.